These are probably the best Bapesters in recent times. Alright, so we got a lot to get into. The latest Skatesters, the clean new Bape MLB New Era caps, the always popular spring collection, and the best sneaker this spring-summer. So let's jump right on into it. Okay, first off, the new Skatester number 5s. Now, I'm gonna say this first off top. These are, these are alright. You know, around this time, we get the sneakers that kinda ease us into spring. And then you have a heavy hitter. But yeah, so we got a 3-color accent. The main color with the base color, white, with the cool gray. Now from the photos, you would think majority of the sneaker is regular leather, but it's actually majority suede. It's pretty thin, but except for the tongue, all of the white color on the upper is suede. You can see that much better on the gray toe cap, since the suede is much thicker. And regular leather is used on the heel counter and heel tab. Highlight of the sneaker, which is actually pretty nice, the embroidered style logo. Gives the sneaker that kinda added detail element to it. Solid quality. Yeah, like I mentioned, an alright pair of Skatesters. With this color scheme, you can match with all kinds of fits. I do hope though, we start getting a little bit more crazier with the colors. We've been going neutral colors for a while now, but not too crazy.
I'm about to tell you one thing, you better delete that shit right now.
Alright, next up, the super clean Bape MLB New Era caps. Now if you're someone who wears caps, you know about New Era. If you're someone who don't wear caps, you still know about New Era. That's how big New Era is. The only brand in sports history to have exclusive headwear rights for all 3 major US leagues at the same time. So 3 teams, 2 colorways each. And these bad boys sold out extra fast.
What the fuck?
But was still able to get a good few. So we got the New York Yankees, Chicago White Sox, New York Yankees again, and the Los Angeles Angels. And each is covered in Bape's signature camo. Here's one of 2 from the New York Yankees. We got that classic first camo yellow. Strong embroidered logo right there in the front, embroidered New Era logo right there on the left, and the MLB logo on the back. For this particular one, the underbrim is green, and there is the MLB authentication sticker. Under the crown, we got the standard 5950 stitching with 4 tags, the Ape head tag, the genuine MLB merchandise tag, the New Era tag, and the size tag. Yeah, overall, just the standard 5950 cap, but with the clean Bape treatment to it. Yeah, if you want something that stands out, either this one, the color camo red LA Angels, or the color camo purple Chicago White Sox, because of the colors, is the way to go. And here's 2 of 2 for the New York Yankees, and the popular all over color camo navy. Yeah, this is the colorway if you want something a little bit more toned down. Yeah, this will probably be the one that I'll personally rock. Okay, Chicago White Sox in the all over color camo black. Now this one is super low key, but then at the same time, on the opposite end, they did drop the color camo purple. Now y'all probably noticed, and I should have said this earlier, each cap has one colorway that matches the team's official colors, and the other colorway that's the complete opposite. Yeah, the Chicago White Sox is pretty cool. For a little added benefit or added information, Bape doesn't drop color camo black too often. So I guess you could say there's some rarity to it. And finally, but not least, the Los Angeles Angels in the classic first camo green, with the color camo red being the matching team colorway. Yeah, I think they did real good on the color coordinating. The red A here has a real nice and real strong contrast with the first camo green. Well, there it is, guys. The Bape MLB New Era caps. These are probably, in my opinion, the best Bape sports collab item in some time. You know, when Bape does sports collabs, it's usually like a jersey. And those are cool, but a lot more people wear hats. And these bad boys right here, you can just grab it, put it on real quick. Real nice. Alright, moving along, the always popular Bape Spring Collection. Now, Bape drops this collection every year, and it is the most popular seasonal collection every year. Main reason, a lot of the items is Japan exclusive. So this year, compared to previous years, they dropped a lot of tees. Each tee showcases the cherry blossoms, which has strong ties to Japan's history and philosophy. Here is the standard Sakura tee. Got the big ape head in a Sakura tree design. This one's pretty nice, has a nice elegance to it. Probably my favorite one. The Sakura photo ape head tee. Now this one was a global release. And here we got the big ape head showcasing the cherry blossoms next to a Japanese castle. Looks like Himeji Castle, which is located kinda near the tail end of Japan. Yeah, this one's alright. The Sakura ape head tee. This one is a much simpler design. Just the big ape head surrounded by the cherry blossoms. The Sakura ape head photo tee number 1. Now the graphic on this one looks like something I would have shot and posted on Instagram or something. Matter of fact, I think I kind of sort of did something like this.
Just got faded. Aha!
Yeah, it's a cool shot. Here is the Sakura college tee, with the Sakura flowers making up the ape head. And lastly, the Sakura photo ape head tee number 2, which personally I think is one of the better tees, with the nighttime shot of the Sakura tree and Mount Fuji. If you look close enough, the night sky is made up of Bape camo. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was never too big into the Sakura collection, but whenever they do release the collection every year, I do look forward to the designs. Alright, here it is. In my opinion, the top sneaker of Spring-Summer 2024. Alright, the Bapesta Icon. Now, if y'all remember my top 10 Bapesta video late last year, and if you haven't, please go check that out. Please! My number 1 Bapesta of 2023 was the Bored Ape Bapesta. And I mentioned, imagine if Bape uses design on some future Bapestas. The rest of the ABC camo colors, these would be an instant cop. And here we are, including the ABC camo green. Now we got the ABC camo blue and the ABC camo pink. So mentioned back in that video, this is a new design, and instead of just covering the style logo in the camo design, for example like the 2021 ABC camo Bapestas, they've created an entire outlining of the style logo and covered it in one of Bape's signature camos. Yeah, these bad boys is super clean. You know, kind of thinking about it. ABC camo Bapestas, super clean, but maybe you wanted more color. ABC camo canvas Bapesta, super clean, but maybe too much color. Bapesta Icon, perfect middle. On top of that, you get the matching laces. I'm glad they stuck with the white outsole. You know, kept it classy and clean. They could have went the gumsole route though, like the Bored Bapesta. Maybe fill it with the ABC camo. You know what? Not gonna lie, that would have been kind of clean. But hey, maybe they'll do something like that in the near future. Well, there it is, the Bapesta Icon. In my opinion, the best sneaker for this year's spring-summer. Let me know in the comments what y'all guys think. Well, there it is, guys. The latest Bape drops. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!